Today I'm gonna show you how to power up Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. Some provide two different way. So simply, in the first way, use your power button and volume down button. You just press on, long press. In the same time, just long press. After 5 seconds, then you get this option. Press on power up. And finally click on power up, then it's power up. And the second way, go to my control center, then showing it to power button, press on, get power up, press on, it's power up. And if you want to use cover skin, same process, power button and volume down button, long press, then I'm get this option. So that's